Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to style your video on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen. The home screen. You can find your project and open an older or create a new. And if you want to style your video, just go to the lower bar, tap to the edit button at the lower left corner, and here you can find the fourth option, the style, next to the animation. And here you can find different trending style, AI painting, photo, particle, expression, and others options. And just select one and you can use that for your video. So and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.